Hey drivers, this is Ben with Great Plains Transport. When you come in for orientation at Great Plains, you'll need to give the FMCSA the consent to conduct a drug screening. The following tutorial shows you how you can go onto the FMCSA website to give them this permission. It's a very easy process, and many workplaces require their new hires to do it. So it's a process you'll need to know regardless of where you're applying. Take a look. Hello Great Plains friends and family, thank you so much for watching that video. If you liked it, make sure you hit that like button down there. If you want to see more of our videos, you can click here for one we've specially selected for you, or you can click here for our most recent upload. If you want to see our videos in the future, you can click the subscribe button right here and you'll be notified when we release a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.